Episode 7, English Questions, How and Why. Welcome back. Now we will learn the word how. We often use it to ask about feelings. Listen, how are you? Smile.
How are you? I am good.
Great. We can also use it for the weather. How is the weather? Sunny.
How is the weather? It is sunny.
Listener, your turn. Imagine a friend is visiting. Ask them, how are you?
Now, what about the word why?
We use why to find a reason. If you see someone eating, you can ask, why are you eating? Apple.
Why are you eating?
And the answer usually starts with because. Because I am hungry. Yummy.
Oh, why are you happy?
Because I am teaching English with you. Man teacher.
Listener, let's practice why. Please repeat. Why are you happy?
Part 2. Spoken English Practice. Let's put it all together. I will ask a question and Mina will answer. How do you go to school? Bus.
I go by bus
Why do you go by bus?
because it is fast.
Listener, try to answer this. How are you today? The answer can be I'm happy or I'm tired. Part 3. The review. Time for our review. Monocle.
We learned 2 more important words. How is for feelings or ways to do things. Smiley, bus.
Why is for reasons. Question mark. And remember, when someone asks why, we often start the answer with because. Part 4. Homework. Here is your new homework, listener. Ask a friend or family member, how are you? Look at the sky and ask, how is the weather? If you see someone drinking water, ask, why are you drinking water? The answer is because I'm thirsty. Water. Part 5. Closing. You are doing a wonderful job learning English. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Prashanto. I feel smarter today. Goodbye, everyone.
Thanks, goodbye, and see you in episode 8. Bye.